Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use voice typing on Google Docs. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up Google Docs from your desktop shortcut or using your web browser. Now once it is opened up, go ahead and open up any document where you want to perform your voice typing. I'm just going to open up a blank document. And now let's get started with the voice typing. In order to enable this, simply click on the Tools menu at the top and then click on Voice Typing. This will now open up a small microphone where you will see that you are being told to click to speak. Now let's go ahead and give it a try. Just go ahead and allow access to your microphone and now we can start. And as you can see, whatever I am speaking is being typed in the document in real time. You can use this feature to type in your document without moving a single muscle, apart from the muscle within your mouth. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to use voice typing in Google Docs. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.